Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And I am here with your Mystery Box Monday unboxing video. This is the unboxing video for the black, gray, and white box. And this was actually live on this past Monday. So I just want to show you guys what was in the box just in case you were curious and you were maybe on the fence and you wanted to buy the box but you just wasn't sure. Now let me explain to you guys how Mystery Box Monday works just in case you're new. So every Monday evening at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I go live on both Facebook and on YouTube. I present a box. Each week the box is a different size, different value, it's different retail value as well as a different cost, different items. The number of items in the box vary and each box has a theme. Then I give you 10 guesses or 10 clues, sometimes it's more than 10, so that you can guess what's in the box. And at any point during the live, you can purchase the box. The first person who sends their money via PayPal, Cash App, Facebook Pay, or Venmo gets the box. Then on Friday, I will show a pre-recorded video showing you everything that was in the box. That way you can see what was in the box if you hadn't purchased the box. And the reason I wait until Friday is because I want to make sure that the person who bought the box had an opportunity to open it, share it with their friends, and enjoy what they actually purchased. I don't want to show what's in the mystery box without that person having their box in their hand and then I'm raining on their parade or spoiling their surprise. Also, if you are not local to the Harrisburg area, you do have to pay shipping for the box. So this week's box was in a medium flat rate box, and it is it weighs about 9.5 pounds. It is called the black, gray, and white box. So everything in this box has to be dealing with either black, white, gray, the items black, white, and gray, the lettering, the packaging, or the words black, white, and gray is actually in the title. So that's how you can guess what's actually in the box. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to show you guys what is in the box and what the clues were that goes with those particular items. So this box retail for $135. This is a really expensive box, but you guys know that over here at Nicole is Making It Happen, I always give you guys the best bang for your buck. So you only pay $45 for this box. So let me show you. I'm going to turn the box on its side. And stuff will probably fall out because I always pack the boxes really, really tight because I want to make sure you guys get a lot of stuff. So let's pull out the first thing that's in the box. So the first thing that's in this box are some Women Centrum vitamins. Women Centrum Silver 50 Plus vitamins. It is 65 tablets in here. And just to let you guys know, like, my boxes don't include like gag gifts, Dollar Tree stuff, and cheap things. All of my items are always high-end items and very nice items, so that you're not getting junk, you are getting real good stuff. Okay, so that's the first thing. And that item actually doesn't have a clue to it. So let me go ahead and get the next item out for you. The next item is 2 pairs of gloves. Oh, and the reason why this goes with the black, white, and gray thing, you see the packaging is gray, the white, and black. So that's why this goes with the black, white, and gray thing. The next item are 2 pairs of ladies' gloves. And these are actually texting gloves. And why does this go with the black, gray, and white? Because there's a black pair and the tag is black, white, and gray. So you guys can kind of see now what theme I'm going with. And that actually goes with the clue. I said there's something in this box to protect your hands. So these protect your hands in the winter. The next thing is there are, you guys know I warned you guys that stuff would be dropping, right? Stuff always drops out of the boxes because I have to turn it sideways because there's so much stuff in these boxes. So here's 2 packs of fuzzy socks, but it's actually 4 pairs, 2 pairs for each one. Why does this go with the black, white, and gray theme? These have, each of them have a pair, have black in them or white. There's no gray though. So 2 pairs of fuzzy socks. I don't think these had a clue either. Nope, these didn't have a clue either. Next is some anti-aging day and night cream, which contains collagen 10. And this is black, white, and gray in the packaging. I don't think this one had a clue either. Let's see. Stainless steel feminine care item. Nope, so this didn't have a clue either. Okay. Next is a stainless steel tumbler with a straw. You can see a stainless steel inside. And this is custom made, and the gray is inside, and it has the black on the outside. And this actually had a couple of clues with it. So I said there was an item in here that was stainless steel and that was sublimated. So that is this bottle right here. Then here's a pack of You by Kotex Security Light Days. And as you can see, the packaging on here is black and white. And the clue for this is that it is a feminine care item. I'm just gonna put it so it stands up. Here is a I love you mom sign. And this is black and white. And this goes with the clue, you can give this as a gift. It's made of wood, and it's a rectangular shape. So I told you guys that that this would be a hard clue. So that is what that is. Actually, I'm gonna put it up here. I don't know, can you see it? I want you guys to be able to see it. Okay. The next thing is a Goody hair comb. And I gave a clue. I said there's 2 hair care items in here. And one of them has teeth. So that is the hair comb that has teeth. I'm going to put this back here. Move this here and move this up here, so you guys can see more of the stuff. Here is the other hair care item. And there are 61 hair ties on here. And I also said that one of the hair care item has elastic in it. So there's elastic in each one of these hair ties. And again, this has black and white in this also. This is a Active Wow 24K white, sparkly white teeth pen, and it has charcoal and mint in it. So I gave you the clue. I said there's something in here that has, there's 2 items in here that has charcoal in them. So this is one of them. And then I also said that there was a high-end oral care item in here. So that's this. And then I also told you guys that there were 4 items in this box that were all high value items. And that's the reason why this box was so expensive. So here is 2 of them. So the tumbler, the stainless steel tumbler, as well as the whitening kit. Those are 2 of the high-end items that I was referring to. Okay, I'm going to turn the box on its side this way so that I can make sure that I get everything out. Okay, here is a pack of Sony smartphones, earbuds, whatever you call them. And as you can see, they're packaged, they're white, and then they're packaged in the black and white packaging. And this goes with the clue. There is a cell phone accessory in here that goes with your cell phone. A cell phone accessory that is the same price as the other high-end items. And then I also said it had a rubber end and it goes in your ear. So this is compatible with just about all smartphones. Then here is a dual pack of Easy Breezy Brow Fill and Define pencils by CoverGirl. And you see the packaging is black and white. And this goes with the clue. I said there is one CoverGirl item in here. So that is what this is. Also, I forgot to tell you that this one, I said one of the charcoal items are usually kept in the bathroom. So you usually keep these whitening pens for your teeth in the bathroom. Oh my God, all this stuff falling over. I just took one of the high-end items out of the box and the other stuff fell out. So hold on. Okay, so here is a Procter Silas electric can opener, and you can see the packaging is black, white, and gray, and the actual can opener is black. So I said in this box it was something that was electrical that you normally keep in the kitchen. I said it's a high-end price and it has a spin feature. So when you put the can on, the can spins around. So that is where the spin feature comes in at. So these are your four, let me show you guys. These are your four high-end items that I was referring to that were all at the same price point. So your Sony earbuds, your stainless steel sublimation travel mug, your Procter & Silas can opener, and then your teeth whitening kit. Then there's also a Tresemme keratin repair hair mask, and this goes with the clue, and as you can see, this is packaged in black and white, but I'm trying to think what clue this goes with. It really doesn't have a clue, but that was in the box. And then there is a Biore charcoal whip purifying mask, and as you can see, this is packaged in black, white, and gray, and this goes with the clue, something to clean your pores, as well as a charcoal item. So I just want to go over the clues, make sure that I gave you all of the clues. Yep, so those were all of the clues. So again, this box sells, this particular box sells for $45. It retails for $135. This is your Mystery Box Monday black, gray, and white box. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you got a lot of guesses, and I hope that you come back next Monday at 8 p.m. and join us on either Facebook or YouTube and play along with our Mystery Box Monday. Again, it'll be a totally different box and totally different clues, totally different value. So make sure you share this with your friends and family. And until the next time, keep on saving.